Hello, I am Thamizharasu, your trusted business coach. With a wealth of experience and a passion for seeing your businesses thrive, I am committed to providing you with the insights, tools, and strategies you need to take your business to new heights. So, whether you are a budding entrepreneur just starting your business journey, a small business owner looking to scale, or a seasoned professional seeking fresh insights, these videos are designed to provide you with a valuable, practical, and very easy to implement advice. Let's dive in.
1. Understanding the core principles of management functions. Management functions form the backbone of any successful organization, and they include planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. Understanding these principles is essential to guiding a team towards its objectives efficiently. 1. Planning. This involves setting the organization's goals and determining the best way to achieve them. 2. Organizing. Once plans are set, organizing comes into play. It involves arranging and structuring work to accomplish organizational goals. 3. Leading. Leading involves directing and motivating all relevant stakeholders and dealing with employee behavior issues. 4. Controlling. This function involves monitoring the organization's performance and making changes if the desired results are not being achieved. 2. How effective management functions lead to organizational success. Effective execution of management functions paves the way to organizational success. For instance, robust planning ensures all efforts align towards common goals, while efficient organizing optimizes resource utilization. The impact of effective management functions transcends the operational level, influencing the organization's strategic direction, culture, and overall performance. 3. The evolution of management functions in the 21st century. In the 21st century, these functions have evolved with technology and changing business landscapes. Today's managers need to be adaptable and ready to embrace new strategies and tools for success. The 21st century has brought significant changes to traditional management functions. To stay competitive in this rapidly changing environment, understanding and adapting to these changes is crucial. The future of management lies in embracing technology, fostering a culture of innovation, and adapting to new ways of working. 4. The role of technology in modern management functions. In this digital age, technology significantly enhances management functions. Advanced tools can assist in planning, organizing, and controlling tasks, thereby increasing efficiency and productivity. 5. Effective planning, a key management function. Effective planning is a key management function. It involves setting clear goals, developing strategies to achieve them, and ensuring all activities align with these goals. 6. The power of leadership, directing as a crucial management function. As a crucial management function, directing or leading involves motivating employees, fostering a positive work environment, and guiding teams towards achieving organizational goals. 7. Organizing as a management function, methods and strategies for success. Organizing, another vital function, involves coordinating resources and tasks to achieve set objectives. It requires clearly defining roles, responsibilities, and the reporting structure within the organization. 8. Controlling in management, how to effectively monitor and regulate business operations. Controlling involves monitoring organizational activities and making necessary adjustments to ensure alignment with set plans. It allows managers to identify potential issues early and implement corrective actions promptly. 9. The intersection of management functions and employee productivity. Management functions greatly influence employee productivity. Effective planning, organizing, leading, and controlling create an environment conducive to high productivity and job satisfaction. 10. Decoding management functions, from theories to real-world applications. While understanding management functions in theory is important, real-world application is crucial for actual business success. Hence, it's essential to bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical execution. I hope you found this overview of management functions valuable. If you enjoyed this video and want more insights on business strategies and management practices, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more content. Your support means a lot and will help us continue to deliver valuable content. Remember, mastering the art of management functions is a journey, not a destination. It involves continuous learning and adaptation to the ever-changing business environment. As your business coach, I am here to guide you through this journey. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.